In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, accurate customer profile so your invoices, receipts, and reports stay organized and professional. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company and heading to the left navigation. Select Customers and Leads, then choose Customers. This takes you to your full customer list, where you can view existing profiles and add new ones. It's worth pausing here to scan the list and make sure the customer you're about to add isn't already in your books. Avoiding duplicates will save you headaches down the road. Next, click the New Customer button. This opens a blank customer profile form. Think of this as the central card for everything related to that customer: how their name appears on invoices, how you contact them, where you send bills, and the default payment timing for your sales. Begin with the display name. This field is required, and it's the name you'll see throughout QuickBooks on lists and forms. Use the exact wording you want to appear on invoices, and keep it consistent with your other records. If the name already exists, QuickBooks may warn you so you can adjust it. For a business, many companies use the legal or trading name. For an individual, use the full name in a consistent format. From here, fill in any other details you have. Add contact information like email and phone so you can send invoices and follow up quickly. Enter the billing address carefully. This appears on your sales forms and can affect mailing and tax information. If the customer has a different shipping address, add that too. Use the notes area to capture helpful context, such as preferred communication, project references, or onboarding details. Finally, set the payment terms. This defines the default due date on invoices for this customer, for example, net 15 or net 30, and helps your aging reports and cash flow forecasts stay accurate. Choose the terms you actually use with this customer. You can always override them on a specific invoice if needed. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the customer list and see the new profile ready to use. From that customer card, you can create invoices, estimates, or sales receipts, and the information you just entered will autofill, reducing manual typing and errors. If you need to make changes later, just open the customer and edit the details. Keep profiles up to date, and you'll streamline your sales process and get paid faster. That's all there is to adding customers in QuickBooks Online.